manufacturers are looking to test the power of a CAT D11T. This is a heavy-duty Caterpillar dozer, known as one of the company's largest and most powerful dozers. Forest chipper crusher, heavy-duty wood crusher with 140 horsepower motor provides high performance and reliability. Weighing 15.40 pounds, the device provides stability and durability on rough forest terrain, optimizing the process of crushing and transporting wood efficiently. It only takes about 10 seconds for the Deere E210 to destroy a large rock. The Terex Fuxim MHL 320F is a versatile material handler, ideal for dismantling and separating metal from old vehicles. With a working reach of up to 10.4 meters and a lifting force of over 8 tons, the MHL 320F easily lifts, rotates, and cuts apart vehicle frames in just a few minutes. Thanks to the cabin system raised by 2.5 meters, the operator has a clear view of every corner, helping to quickly process tens of tons of scrap per shift, ready for recycling. These massive machines are the backbone of coal mining operations, capable of moving thousands of tons of material per hour. With rotating wheels equipped with multiple buckets, they scoop up dirt and coal with incredible efficiency, demonstrating both power and precision. The Liebherr 984 is a machine built for heavy-duty tasks, and in this video, it demonstrates its full potential. The excavator loads the trucks with overburden using just 2 passes each, a remarkable feat that speaks volumes about both the machine's capacity and the operator's skill. The speed and precision on display show why the Liebherr 984 is a trusted machine in large-scale operations like this. Weighing in at approximately 3,530 pounds, the Waratah Hef 290 enables efficient cutting and wood handling, ensuring durability and stability, even in dense forest conditions. The Tiger Cat 6900 grinder is a powerful wood grinder with a 1,200 horsepower engine. It can grind wood into mulch with a 335 meter-minute discharge conveyor and a fuel tank of over 2,000 liters, enough to work continuously on large-scale biomass recycling projects. The felling an oak tree 423.7 cubic feet machine is the ideal solution for felling large oak trees, with a powerful engine reaching 180 horsepower. The giant rotating wheels of the wheeled bucket excavator can move 10,000 cubic meters of material per hour. This incredible capacity makes it one of the most efficient machines for removing waste materials and extracting valuable resources. Class Jaguar 840 is a famous forage harvester from Germany, used to cut and chop lavender in the vast purple fields of France. With a capacity of up to 585 horsepower, the Class Jaguar 840 can process more than 200 tons of lavender per day. This machine has helped French farmers harvest quickly, preserving the precious essential oil scent of the world-famous lavender. Fasola's Heavy Transports is a company specializing in the exclusive transport of oversized and super heavy loads based in Ptolemais, Greece. They are transporting a Volvo EC650 and a Caterpillar 235 up a 1,800-meter mountain. Let's see how this machine handles it to overcome the sharp turns. For those that don't know, there's a land anchor or a traction crane up top out of sight holding him in place by a heavy winch cable. The Waratah H 290 is a high-performance harvester ideal for forestry, with a powerful engine that produces up to 286 horsepower. Weighing in at 3,530 pounds, the Waratah H 290 allows for efficient cutting and processing of wood, ensuring durability and stability, even in dense forest conditions.
I knew it. Oh my God, look at that.
A near miss. If he hadn't dropped the boat in a few seconds, he would have gone down with the boat and the crane.
I knew it. Oh my God, look at that.
The MK25 is a powerful roadside mower with a working width of 2.5 meters, easily cutting kilometers of roadside in just a few hours, keeping roads neat and safe. With a reach of up to 9 meters, the Dam 900 allows even steep grass banks and hard-to-reach roadsides to be cut cleanly. Ropa Mouse 6, combined with Tiger 6S and Panther 2S, is the trio of leading sugar beet harvesters from Germany. Mouse 6 has a conveyor belt up to 10 meters long, can collect and load 500 tons of sugar beets per hour. Tiger 6S and Panther 2S have powerful engines up to 796 horsepower, effectively harvesting hectares of land in just a few hours. This set of equipment helps European farmers harvest quickly, cleanly, and optimize costs for each large-scale sugar beet crop. Leave comment number 1 if you see this machine as a giant iron monster. Fendus 80 tons is a super powerful wood splitting machine, impressive with its 80 tons of pressure, capable of splitting large diameter logs in just a few seconds. With a splitting cycle speed of only 5-8 seconds, the machine can process dozens of cubic meters of wood per hour, turning large logs into small, even firewood, ready for winter. If you want to get rid of your car, bring it here. Next up is the powerful Komatsu 895 logging machine, with a 262 horsepower engine providing superior traction. Weighing in at 44.10 pounds, the Komatsu 895 is stable and durable on all forest terrains, optimizing log transport efficiency and productivity. Guess with me, can this car knock down this tree? The Terex Fox Mech L320 is an extremely powerful yet compact and maneuverable mobile material handler. Terex Fox entry-level machine. The MHL 320 has a reach of 10.4 meters and an operating weight of 19 tons. This machine is specifically designed for those looking for performance, efficiency, and reliability in an entry-level material handler. The work of cutting wood for fishing boats is going on steadily, with the powerful 15-horsepower saw easily handling large logs. The machine weighs about 661.39 pounds, stable enough to create solid planks, ensuring quality and durability for the boat at sea. The Fen 1050 Vario combined with the 9-furrow Lemken Diamond 16 is a powerful plowing duo on the heavy clay fields of the Netherlands. With up to 517 horsepower, the Fen 1050 pulls a plow more than 3.6 meters wide, can till 30-35 centimeters deep and process up to 10-12 hectares of soil in a single day. This power and precision helps to loosen the soft clay, ready for the next planting season. The Caterpillar 365C is the ideal heavy-duty excavator for large-scale land leveling projects. With an operating weight of over 65 tons and a bucket capacity of 3.54.6 cubic meters, it can move hundreds of cubic meters of earth per hour. Its boom length of up to 11 meters allows the 365C to easily reach deep excavations, leveling the ground quickly and efficiently. Powerful saw for the wood industry, my Bohr HTZ 1200 Plus, with 150 horsepower engine, for efficient and precise cutting of wood. The machine weighed up to 18.70 pounds, ensuring stability and durability during operation, helping to optimize productivity and quality of cutting large wood. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you see any impressive machine, please leave a comment to let us know. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. See you in the next video.